Addie.
And I'm Kennedy.
And this is our Kidding Around Kid Takeover.
This is the A and K drop-in segment. This is when we forget to say something that we really should have said.
We're from the future, so you'll see us in like a few seconds. But
just minutes, yeah.
Yeah, whatever. Just remember to wash your hands before you do anything in this craft, because when you're dealing with edibles, you don't want to get anyone sick.
Also, if you're ever cooking or baking or doing anything with food, like at all, wash your hands. Just wash your hands. It's a good thing to do.
Okay, see ya.
Bye.
Every once in a while, we'll be doing a fun food film Friday.
That's a lot of alliteration. Today we are doing these really cute monster Rice Krispie treats.
For this craft, you'll need 3 tablespoons of butter, and Rice Krispies.
You will also need a full bag of regular sized marshmallows, a non-stick pan spray,
assorted colors of candy melts, shortening if you want it. You don't need it though.
Candy corn and eyes,
parchment paper,
and a microwave.
Be sure to ask your parents before you use the microwave, just to be sure. And also remember to use a microwave-safe bowl when you do these things. So, first, in order to make these amazing monsters, you are going to take 3 tablespoons of butter and put it into a microwave-safe bowl. Then, you will put it into the microwave for 15 seconds. Take it out, see if it's liquefied. If not, stir it around, put it back in the microwave for 15 seconds. Remember to put it in 15-second increments because we don't want the butter to burn. After that, come back over here.
Also, remember that we are going to be adding a lot of more ingredients to this mixture, so use a pretty big bowl.
Mm-hmm. Ta-da! We did it.
Yes, we now have the melted butter.
Yes.
And so we are going to take all of our marshmallows, the entire pack, and put them into the melted butter.
Sometimes it needs a little help.
Yes. Okay.
Yay!
And then mix until all of the marshmallows have melted. Your butter will probably not be hot enough to melt them all at once. So simply put them into the microwave for 15 seconds, take them out, then mix them, and then repeat this until they're all
Melted.
Melted, yes, that's the word.
Much melting.
Yes.
I'm just gonna stick.
Okay.
Boom, ba-dum, it's the Addie Show! Hello, dear viewers. This is the Addie Show, and I'm going to just talk for a few minutes while my friend Kennedy, slash sister, has to go over and melt the marshmallow. La 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 la. Hello, camera up there. I see myself. Oh, I'm very weird. As you probably know, googly eyes, they are googly eyes, you see, googly eyes. You don't understand how cool the googly eyes are. I just want to eat you guys. I just do. You just look so yummy. Especially you, little Mike was asking. Hello. Kennedy mixing marshmallows with butter. Butter. Kennedy has come onto the Addie Show.
No, Kennedy has come onto the Kennedy Show. That Addie is trying to take over.
Sure. Did she make a theme song? No,
yes.
She did not.
Do 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 do.
She stole that. We're gonna get sued. And we're back. After Kennedy put the marshmallows into the butter, she stirred it and microwaved it, as she said, and it looks like this now. Now, I know it looks super yummy, but we can't eat it yet. But it'll be even yummier afterwards.
Yes. So, take your Rice Krispies.
Your 6 cups of Rice Krispies.
Yes. and measure out 6 cups. And you can put the cups directly into your marshmallow and butter mixture. But for the sake of videoing, we put our 6 cups into a separate bowl that we will now just pour into the marshmallow mix.
And remember to take out the spoon so that with the next step, it's going to get in the way. Okay.
Yes.
Next step. We are going to mix the things with our hands. But in order to do this and not take the entire Rice Krispie thing with our hands, we have to put the non-stick pan spray on our hands.
Yes.
But you need to put on quite a bit for it to not actually stick. We have found this after our first test run.
Yes, on our first test run, we did not put enough on, and our hands were super sticky. I wonder why.
Okay. Gotta go digging.
Yeah.
It's still warm.
It should be warm. Oh, it's hot warm.
I said warm. So after you're done mixing, it should look like this. Now go wash your hands because your hands are probably a sticky mess.
Yes. When you come back, respray your hands with... Oh, you can't eat it on camera.
Why?
Because then they'll eat it.
Fine.
It's on your lip.
Alright. Hey, stop it. Okay, right?
Wait.
So after you've mixed it, it should look like this. Now, go wash your hands because your hands are probably very messy.
Okay. Okay, now this is the real one because that might have messed you up. But okay. That actually might mess Mom up in editing.
It won't.
Addie, that might mess.
No, it won't.
You need to show that on tape.
No, we don't. We told them to do it.
Okay.
Oh. Why don't we just... Can you grab another piece of parchment paper, please? Oh, can you also take this to the kitchen? I'll clean it up a little later, but... Maybe.
We're going on.
No, but it was over here last we saw, so... Okay. No. Oh, okay. Okay.
Wait, I must mix. Ew, it feels weird. I need to be able to grab it.
Yeah, I know, but just for the show, then we'll move it again. And we're back again.
So, make sure that after you wash your hands, you re-butter your hands.
Not butter.
Not butter,
Try it again.
re-oil. Re-spray. Re-spray, okay.
Okay. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the Rice Krispies with your nicely oiled hands, and you're going to shape them to look like one of the monsters.
Yes, and you can make like rainbow shapes, or like a little slug, or a blob, or really any shape you want.
Here is a little circle. It's a very small circle, but
yes.
It's a monster.
Make sure that your monsters have flat bottoms.
Oh, yeah.
So that they can walk.
But the flat bottoms should be made if you just kind of lightly press down into the parchment paper once you put it on.
Wait, I'm gonna make a tiny little ball.
I made a heart. Look.
Let me see it.
Heart.
Sure.
Shush. Like you can make a better one.
I could.
No.
I just don't have enough Rice Krispies. Like it!
It's a little like the basketball. Okay, wait. We should actually do this one. Okay.
And now we have our sculptures.
Nice. They look a little deformed right now, but that's okay because we're gonna put chocolate on them.
These ones looked deformed before we put chocolate on them
That's
as well.
True. So now you'll wait for 5 to 10 minutes while these Rice Krispies dry is the wrong word, but it's
Probably like set.
yeah, it's the right word. And while that's happening, you're going to melt your candy melts into a bowl. Remember to use a little bit of shortener while you do it.
Shortening. When you melt the candy melts, you can use a little bit of shortening, and just to make sure that the chocolate doesn't seize.
Because that would be bad.
Yes, because if the chocolate seizes, then you can't use it.
Yes, and that would be very sad for everyone.
Yes.
Wasted chocolate. Very sad. Hi, it's 5 to 10 minutes later. So we have let our Rice Krispies set. We have melted green, orange, and blue chocolate. We have different kinds of googly eyes and candy corn for decorating.
You don't need different types of googly eyes. Only one size is fine.
Mm-hmm. And you can have other kinds of decorating items if you would like.
Yes. And so, as you can see here, we had 4 colors. We decided in this batch only to do 3. And so, how you frost, I guess, a Rice Krispie treat is you take a treat, you put it in, you turn it around and get as much on as you can to start with, and then you use a spoon and you scoop some of the chocolate that's on the side and cover the rest of the Rice Krispie treat that hasn't been covered. You will do this for every single one of your Rice Krispie treats. I guess unless you want one that doesn't have chocolate on it. And then you can press googly eyes. Also, when we're saying googly eyes, we mean these types of candy eyes, not the plastic type. And so after you put them in the chocolate, then you can put eyes or candy corn on them.
Also, you don't have to submerge the entire Rice Krispie into chocolate. If you just want, like in this one, I'm only going to have one of the Rice Krispie balls with chocolate on it. So you can have like half of it in chocolate, or none of it in chocolate, or a third of it in chocolate. Any kind of integration is good.
Integration. Is that a word?
Yes.
Okay. Boop. And you can have eyes and teeth wherever you want. You see, for this one, I put an eye on the top.
Yes.
You can also have the candy corn as teeth, and you can have those anywhere.
Okay. That's a lot of explaining.
Remember that when you are melting your chocolate, to use the same to melt the chocolate the same way that you melted the butter and marshmallow mixture, which is you put it in the microwave for 15 seconds, take it out, mix it, and keep going until they're all the way melted. You took my spot. Addie, you took my spot.
Yeah. There, it's the unknowing eye have no people. Which is a unicorn as well. No, I'm gonna make this one into a unicorn as well. Boop. It's now a unicorn.
Under the night and everything goes. And dance in the clothes. I don't know the words.
When we move, it already knows.
Just imagine.
Just imagine. You are so freaking loud.
You're loud when you sing.
I can sing with you.
Normally.
And I go all those things I shouldn't do, but you dance.
Was that what the words are?
What?
All the things that that I shouldn't do.
Just dance.
I did not know those
creeping
words.
up on you, so just dance. Ooh, something magical.
Got that sunshine in my pocket. Got that good song in my feet.
Feel the hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, do it over the bowl, Kennedy. See, that's why you do it over the bowl. Here's a note. Do it over the bowl. And we're back.
Make sure that once you are done frosting all of your Rice Krispie treats to wash your hands, because you probably have at least some chocolate on them.
And remember to let your chocolate dry, because if you eat it right now, it'll be pretty goopy.
Yeah, and deck out your Rice Krispie treats in all of your decorations, because it makes them look so much more cuter and a little bit tastier to eat.
This has been another episode of Kidding Around, and this is our first Kidding Around Kid Takeover.
Make sure to like and subscribe below.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
I think we did it.